Hi guys, welcome back. It's your girl. So today we're just gonna sit, talk, do our hair, or take down our hair and also do our hair. It's basically going to be a hair day. We're excited. We love doing our hair. My hair used to look super cute. It's not cute today, but one day it was cute. I've had this hairstyle for over, I want to say 3 weeks now. It held up pretty well. It was really, really good. It's kind of like a protective style at this point, to be honest. So I'm pretty excited that it lasted this long. If you want to see what my hairstyle looked like at some point when it was beautiful, I will put a little something on the screen for you, and I will also put the link down below and in the cards so that you can't miss it. All right, so today we are going to take this down, and some of you guys actually asked me to show you how I take it down, and I get it. We have rubber bands in our hair, and you know, rubber bands can be a little detrimental to our hair. So I'm going to show you exactly how I do it. I do have a little bit of help in the bag that I need to take out. It looks like a dead animal back there. Let's take care of that, okay? I am going to tell you what we're going to do, you know, so you know what to expect. We're going to take this down. We're going to pre-poo. We are going to talk about some products for our edges. You know, I've been talking about I need to take care of my edges, but I haven't really done anything. So today we are going to change that. So we have a full day. So typically when I have my hair in these type of style, I like to film these videos where I show you how I take care of my hair during the week. And I wanted to do that, except that I didn't do anything to my hair. I didn't spray with water. I didn't oil my scalp. I only oiled my edges like twice. So I don't have anything to show you. I'm sorry, girl. We'll do better next time. But if you do want to see the videos that I filmed showing you how I typically care for my hair during the week, I will link them down below. Alright, so the back is all out. Now moving on to the front. So the reason why I wanted to show you how I remove the front is because when it comes to rubber bands, we don't play that, okay? I'm just gonna cut them out. I don't try to save rubber bands just because one, it costs like $3 to get a whole bag of them. And two, it's not worth trying to remove them because I find that they cause breakage. It is what it is, okay? I value my hair more than a little piece of rubber band. So instead of really trying to go through and remove these, I use scissors. To remove it, I just pull out one piece of it. So now I can stretch it out and carefully just cut it. And once you do, it will automatically loosen the rubber band, and all you have to do is kind of like pull it right out. You obviously want to be careful still. You don't want to cut out your own hair. There it goes. It comes right out. It's super easy. Oh, it feels so good taking down a style. So the products that I'm going to be using today, they're new. We're excited. We love products. If you guys remember, or at least if you've been around for a while, last year I had a little horror story when it came to using a lace front weave. I used a lace front and it ripped out my edges. It gave me like a bald spot in the front, and ever since then my edges has never been the same. So I went and saw a trichologist because I was freaking out, girl. I didn't know if my edges were ever gonna grow back, or especially if that bald spot was gonna grow back. And we had a good conversation. Actually, one of you guys recommended me to go, and I went. She basically told me that my follicles were not permanently damaged. It was basically traction alopecia. So alopecia resulting from having your hair braided too tight. Basically, the girl fudged me up by braiding my hair too tightly. My hair did grow back. The bald spot grew back. Obviously, it's no longer there. I don't even check for it anymore. There she is. She's so much longer now. I've been complaining lately that I feel like my edges could be better, but I'm not really doing too much about it. So she sent me a few products, and here they are. So the first product that I'm going to talk about is a scalp stimulation mask. So this is basically like a pre-poo, and all of her products are 100% natural, which is really good. This line is supposed to heal and nourish your scalp, stimulate your follicles to help with hair growth. So for the mask, you're supposed to apply it directly onto your scalp, cover your head with a shower cap, and leave it on for 30 to 40 minutes, which is why I say it sounds like a pre-poo to me. It also says that you're supposed to use it 2 to 3 times a week, but I don't wash my hair 2 to 3 times times a week, so I definitely wouldn't be using it that often. I mean, I can wash my hair every week, but anything more than that, I just feel like it's a little too much manipulation for me. So I'm already going to modify how I use it, whatever. So there's a scalp spray as well, which is supposed to boost your hair growth naturally. This one has aloe vera, jojoba oil, baobab oil, hibiscus, and yin yang. So they're all supposed to restore your natural moisture balance while promoting the overall health of your hair and scalp. You're supposed to spray this twice a day. It's supposed to help with dandruff, hair thinning, and also stimulate and regrow your hair or edges if that's what you're looking for. I could do twice a day. That I'm okay with. And the last product is the hair growth elixir. So this is also supposed to nourish your hair from root to tip. Apply to your scalp twice a day and massage it in for about 2 minutes or more. This promotes blood circulation and healthy hair growth. So there's a lot of work. Another interesting thing that came in the package is some tea. This is good for your hair, nails, teeth, and skin. I'm a tea drinker. I'm not a coffee drinker, so this is super easy for me to do. I already made myself a nice little cup, so don't mind if I do. And it doesn't taste really bad. It tastes like an herbal tea. I don't mind it at all. It smells a little funny, but I'm assuming it's because of all the goodies that's in there. I will be making myself a tea every single day and then use this product, especially since I'm home, you know. I might as well really pay attention to my edges. So that's what we're going to be using. All right, so let's move on to pre-poo. I'm going to put my hair in sections. You guys know I'm the queen of sectioning my hair. To pre-poo today, I'm going to be using Pure Oil by Silk Element. I have just a little bit of it, so I want to get rid of it. But you guys know my typical oil to pre-poo with is almond oil. And I have it in this little container because that's kind of like how I warm up my oils. Do not put your oils in the microwave. I'm really going to try to get this all over my edges. I feel like this is the area that I'm most concerned with. I'm really just gonna work that into my edges. And it's very easy to spread, by the way, I should say that. I like the texture. You can definitely smell the tea tree oil in here. It's really easy to spread this, and when I do put it on my scalp, what I'm noticing is that it's making my hair a lot softer. I imagine that there is a high water content in here. If I could see the packaging, y'all, I will figure it out and put it on the screen because I can't see. What if I get some extreme, serious hair growth? I'm also taking this opportunity to take out shedded hair. You guys know, you know how I do it. I take them out. You don't want to go in the shower with all of that shedded hair. Gonna add a little extra something right there, you know? I'm having too much fun right now. Ooh, new products? Ooh. Bin mo mo niya gadi sa na teto to. Mo no.
Yes.
Moti sa shek na teto ah.
Oh. Hey, e va passer dépasser mon ya. Ou dépasser moi là.
Longtemps mon cher.
Ça son masque. Ou va bon mettre la tête moi. On mettait là en bagay li. Ou va massager l'off in laver le comme mettre.
Eh mais ou même qui experte là. Et où te fait? Just gonna add a little something extra on my edges. Am I doing too much? I may be doing too much. We are done with pre-pooing. I'm just gonna let this sit for about an hour or 2 or 3. I'm gonna work out, I'm gonna prep dinner, you know, I'm gonna do my thing and go through my wash day routine. So if you want to know how I wash my hair, I have a lot of videos on it. So I'll put a few videos on the screen for you to check out. I don't know if I'm going to film it because I have so many videos on wash day routine, how I wash my hair, how I deep condition. So I will just put these videos on the screen for you. And then once I'm done, I'll come back to use the spray because I do want to use that and the hair growth elixir. Let me go make dinner and work out. It's been a couple of hours with the deep conditioner and I was this close to sleeping with it, but then it's 9:48. I'm not gonna go to bed, to be honest. I'm just being lazy for no reason. So we are done. I'm just going to rinse this out and then I will meet you in my filming room. Whew, y'all, it's been a whole day. It's a full journey: washing, detangling, deep conditioning, taking care of your hair. It's a whole day. So I'm gonna finish up by using the spray as well as the hair growth elixir to moisturize. This is almost done, but I got time today. We're gonna get every single drop out of here, okay? We don't waste no products over here. We're gonna get it all out. Oh, she just feels so good. Once you go through your routine and you pre-poo, wash, deep condition, then your hair is just like happy. We're friends. We're friends right now. And you know what? I should also give you guys a nice before shot. So this is this side of my edges as of August 29th. Let me get a little closer. So I want to work on this area. I've never had super thick edges, so I'm not expecting miracles, but I just want to fill them in a little bit. So this is my best side. Now, so we're gonna work on her. I really want to work on filling her in. So this area right here, I think could use some filling in. I also had this little spot over here. If I really play with it, then you really see it. So right in here, there's a little spot that's just not as full as I feel like she could be. But overall, this is what she looks like. I think moving forward, I may just use the simulation mask just around my edges, just because this isn't a huge container and I really want to use it on my edges and maximize the products that I have in here. I'm not concerned with hair growth for the rest of my hair. I don't have any problematic areas. I did have a few bald spots, but they're growing in nicely, so I'm not too concerned. But for these edges, we're trying to do better. Whew. And it does smell herby. It's okay. I don't want to use too much because I don't want a bunch of oil on my pillow breaking me out. Let's massage this in for 2 minutes. I don't know if I can last 2 minutes, but we'll try. All right, so now we can moisturize. All right. We're done. Nice and moisturized 4C hair, y'all. Yes, I'm here for this. It may take a while, but when you're done, you are so satisfied. I thought I was going to style my hair today, but I'm not. I'm going to use this once a week. Ain't nobody got time to be using it 2, 3, 4 times a week. But these I will use twice a day. So I will have to put a reminder, but I'm going to try to use them twice a day. Anyways, I'm excited to see my results. Of course, I will keep you guys updated. You already know. If you have any questions or anything like that, leave them down below. I will put all the information on these products down below as well. And just like that, I will see you in my next video. Hit the like button if you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you aren't already. If you made it this far and you didn't subscribe, girl. Anyways, I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.